And you're the way you bacon got
Oh yeah, dude, you're rapping, dude. You're getting the lyrics right, dude. You're good. You know this song.
He can't tell me what to do. I get him. You understand, Randy? You're the nice person. You understand. I'm a friend. I'm a friend of these guys.
Yeah!
Josh is my friend. Jason's my friend. I come in the subway. I do come in the subway. If I make a difference, we freaking friends.
Yeah.
We freaking friends.
Look at this music video.
Yo. Listen, Randy, I come down here to see Subway, and I see Jason. I see Josh. Yo, I see him. He's a nice guy. Don't give him trouble. If you do, I give you trouble. Yo.
Studio Compton.